CreoLite panel. This is a high-impact polystyrene sheet at 1.5 millimeters thick. Essentially, it is a highly durable and versatile product that's also very flexible, which lends itself to a number of installation options. It also comes laminated with a protective top layer. It is scratch resistant and highly durable. This is a highly versatile and cost-effective product that will help to produce that wow factor on all your future projects. It is pre-backed with a 3M adhesive tape. It's both water resistant and fire retardant. Can be cut using standard tools, even with a knife.